Hi, I'm Dennis Uhlmann Jr. from the Law Office of Martone Uhlmann. You're about to watch a video about title insurance in New Jersey. I hope you enjoy. Hi, I'm Dennis Uhlmann Jr. from the Law Office of Martone Uhlmann, located in Clifton, New Jersey. Today I'm going to go over the title insurance process, what's involved with it, and answer some of the questions that we often get to help give you more information about how the process works and what's involved. As to our first question, what is title insurance? Put quite simply, title insurance is an insurance policy which guarantees that you as the buyer own the property free and clear. It protects you from financial loss if later on there are title defects found. It's a one-time premium that you pay for a lifetime of protection against someone else claiming ownership of your land. As to our first question, what is title insurance? Put quite simply, title insurance is an insurance policy which guarantees that you as the buyer own the property free and clear. It protects you from financial loss if later on there are title defects found. It's a one-time premium that you pay for a lifetime of protection against someone else claiming ownership of your land. As to our next question, do I really need title insurance? The state of New Jersey does not require that a purchaser of property obtain title insurance, but it's highly recommended. It protects you as the buyer against any claims that may come for your entire period of ownership. If you're financing the purchase of the property through a mortgage, a loan, or some other means, most times lenders will require what's called a lender's policy. The lender's policy will protect the lender against any losses in the future, but you as the owner will have the choice whether to get your owner's policy. But we highly recommend that everyone gets an owner's policy that protects you as the owner against any claims. And as I said before, it's a one-time premium you pay for a lifetime of protection. How much does title insurance cost? In the state of New Jersey, title insurance costs and fees are regulated by the Commissioner of Banking and Insurance. In the end, you pay based upon your purchase price. The higher the purchase price, the higher the premium. And on top of that, additional fees for services as well as endorsements. Endorsements are additional protections that you may add on to your policy. What does a title insurance company actually do? In short, quite a bit. A title insurance company is going to search the property records on the property you're buying. They're also going to conduct judgment searches against the buyer and seller to identify anything that's out there. They're also going to look at taxes. They're going to look to see if the property is in a flood zone or maybe if it's claimed for tidelands. In the end, what they do is they look for problems with title, or what they call clouds on title. They identify any problems to be handled before the closing, because after closing, they will issue you a title policy saying that you own it free and clear of any problems. In many cases, title insurance companies also handle the settlement. So that's the money part of the deal. They're going to fund the deal from the bank. They'll have the buyer sign any loan documents that are necessary and button up everything from the settlement. So once you leave and the closing's over, it's in the hands of the title company. How do I choose a title company? Well, in the end, it's up to the buyer. A realtor, your lender, or even the attorney can recommend title companies to work with, but in the end, it's up to the buyer to choose. In New Jersey, there are several hundred title vendors to choose from, but in my personal opinion, it really comes down to knowledge and customer service. Since there are so many to choose from, what sets apart the good title companies from the great title companies are the ones that are able to come through it in the end. The ones that are able to fix the problems as they come up and work with both the attorneys and the lenders to make the closing happen. If you look in the comments section, I've listed a number of my preferred title vendors. These are just some that we use, but these are some that I like. If you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're looking for more information, subscribe to our channel. That way you're alerted every time new content is posted. But most of all, remember, when you're ready to buy or sell a home, call Martone.